Did you know that most women make mistake not in choosing the right dress, but in pairing it with shoes and accessories? The reason why it happens is because most of them use color as the only criterion to match their dress with shoes and bag. But there is much more to it. Have a look here. For example, in this outfit, I matched the dress with shoes and accessories only by color, but this outfit doesn't look cohesive or put together because I completely disregarded other important criteria, such as the length of the dress, the texture of the fabric, and the style of the dress. And here's the enhanced version of this outfit. Do you see the difference? In this video, I'm going to break down the most common mistakes women make in pairing dress with shoes and bag, and most importantly, show you how to fix them straight away to enhance your dress outfit. And stay tuned till the end because I will show you all the styling nuances of 6 most popular summer dresses, such as slip dress, printed dress, mini, midi, maxi, and textured dresses. So you'll be fully equipped with all the hacks of styling summer dresses. Starting off with my favorite style of dresses, slip dress. I love slip dresses. I think they're the most versatile, chic, yet easy to wear kind of dresses you can imagine for summer. They just exude elegance and fluidity and require accessories and shoes that enhance rather than overshadow their delicate nature. For my first pair of outfits, I went for this gorgeous Chloe strap dress by Victoria Chan, one of the designers from the sponsor of today's video, fashion brand called Fabrique, which I'm going to tell you all about in a moment. And here is a common misstep: pairing slip dress with closed shoes like pumps or sling bags and a structured formal bag. It may not seem that obvious here, but this combination conflicts with the dress's fluid draping quality. The rigidity of the pumps and the bag structure clash with the slip dress effortless flow. Instead of closed shoes, I suggest to opt for metallic open-toe mules and a soft chain bag. Notice how these choices complement the dress's soft silhouette and luxurious fabric. And as a more minimalist and modern option, I added black accents, black medium heel sandals, and small black asymmetric bag. For a more casual ensemble, avoid chunky models and crossbody bags. Again, they conflict with delicate character of the dress and make the look frumpy. Pair a slip dress with refined slat sandals. In my case, dainty mules and light raffia basket align with the dress's feminine airy character, creating cohesive summer-ready look. So tip number 1, pair a slip dress with open-toed dainty shoes and soft shape bags that complement the dress's elegant and delicate nature. And talking about achieving the most flattering silhouette, wearing not only dresses but all types of clothes, of course considering your unique body shape, height and proportions is crucial here. And if you're new to my channel and still struggle to understand which silhouette and which kind of styling suits your unique body shape, I got a little surprise. I have developed a personalized style portfolio that you can get absolutely for free by going to the link under this video, answer just a few questions about your height and body shape, and get this guide immediately directly to your mailbox. It's a very practical, in-depth illustrated guide packed with practical styling tips, key outfit ideas, and also key winning silhouettes tailored to your unique height and body shape. I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of fun with it, going shopping or declutter your existing wardrobe, so don't forget to check it out after watching this video. And now let's talk about printed dresses. As you probably noticed watching on Instagram and on YouTube, I'm not a big fan of prints. If I go for prints, it's mostly black and white because they still look bold, yet very minimalist and chic, true to my personal style. However, you can't argue that prints always bring this playful, vivid, stylish and bold vibe into your outfits. But you do need to be careful with pairing them with shoes and accessories to make sure that you don't overwhelm your outfit. Avoid pairing printed dresses with embellished shoes and bags. This creates visual clutter and detracts from the print's pattern. For this outfit, I went for very beautiful Venice abstract print dress by Carlos Duarte from Fabrique. Minimalist accessories are the key here. I've chosen black strappy sandals and asymmetric black half moon bag, echoing one of the colors and the shape of the print. For a bolder statement look, you can add an accent color, like burgundy for example. Black sling bags with burgundy straps, a burgundy bag, and black tuxedo with burgundy lining introduce structure, bonding dresses fluidity and structure of the shoes and the bag. For a more relaxed look, avoid pairing the dress with chunky loafers and big totes. Instead, I selected fishnet ballerinas, sophisticated raffia tote with black embellishment. This subtle linkage enhances the overall harmony, balancing the playful print with understated elegance. So tip number 2, with printed dresses, keep accessories minimalist and choose items that either match a color in the print or provide subtle complementary contrast. And very important disclaimer, shoes and accessories should complement the shape in the pattern. Geometric prints work well with structured shoes and accessories, whereas abstract and feminine ones require softer shapes and volumes. And now let me introduce you the sponsor of today's video. Absolutely unique concept. I've never heard about something like that before. It's a collective designer brand that collaborates with over 300 designers worldwide. Some of them are super famous, like celebrated British designer Roxanne Linchik and the godfather of denim, Adriana Goldschmidt. A lot of them are very young, but very creative and very talented. So if you're looking for something really unique, authentic, something exclusive, you'll definitely find something special and exclusive for you on their website among their collections. As usual, I'm leaving the exclusive promo code with a discount for any of your selections in the info box, so don't forget to check out Fabric collection after watching this video. Let's talk about mini dresses. Mini dresses are chic, playful, always bold, and I do believe that you can wear them after 40, 50, 60, just making sure that you adjust the hemline and the style of the dress to your personal style to look appropriate. And in this case, especially the right choice of shoes and accessories is crucial to avoid looking overly girly and flashy. Have a look here. I'm wearing gorgeous engraved embroidered dress by Caroline Hugh, again from Fabric. However, high heels and a soft metallic bag with a mini dress appear too garish, especially when textures clash, like this combo here. The combination lacks sophistication. Neither does it work with fishnet ballerinas, as we do need a bit of lift here. Plus, style-wise, shoes and dress come from totally opposite aesthetics. Kitten heels and a structured hobo bag offer a more refined look. The structured bag aligns with the dress's 50s-inspired A-line silhouette, while pastel pink and white accents introduce freshness, making the outfit both cohesive and stylish. So tip number 3, pair mini dresses with moderate heels and structured bags to maintain a balanced, sophisticated look. Avoid overly flashy and textured accessories when dress already has embellishment or texture. Midi dresses always look elegant, classy. Midi length is one of the most universal and versatile lengths you can imagine. However, when it comes to pairing with shoes, because we're dealing with a mid-calf length, it might be quite tricky. That's why a proper choice of shoes is vital to maintain the silhouette and proportions. Avoid pairing midi dresses with strappy sandals featuring chunky soles and padded chunky crossbody bags, especially dresses in fine jersey, silk or any other thin, delicate fabric. These elements just disrupt the dress's delicate lines and texture. Plus, multiple straps visually cut the legs, so we have mid-calf hemline and the other horizontal elements, which shortens the silhouette immensely. For this look, I chose the beautiful off-shoulder dress by Yudon Choi from Fabric and switched to more sophisticated, elegant fishnet ballerinas and raffia basket, which creates a more harmonious and cohesive, elegant look. Another example here is pairing midi dress with kitten heel sling bags and a structured boxy bag. Because of the style and the fabric of the dress that exudes femininity and playfulness, formal shoes and bag look totally out of place here, even though they do match color-wise. Instead, I went for off-white mid-heel sandals with thin straps and rounded bucket bag that immediately enhanced the look. I also like how chocolate, brown and ivory work together. Beautiful, isn't it? So tip number 4, for midi dresses, opt for delicate flat or mid-heel neutral shoes and soft unstructured bags to complement the dress's flow and prevent cutting off your silhouette. And finally, last not least, my favorite, maxi dresses. I love maxi dresses because they're so statement, so bold, feminine, but at the same time so easy to wear because you don't even need your body to be beach ready to start wearing dresses in summer. However, pairing them with the right shoes and bag is really vital to enhance their bold, dramatic, elegant flow. And this is the combo I see quite often on the streets. Somehow women instantly think pumps when they see maxi dresses, yet adding their casual day bag with long strap on the shoulder. However, pumps and long strap shoulder bag often diminish the elegance and feminine nature of the maxi tube dress. This combination can feel too structured and disconnected. In this look, I'm wearing beautiful, my favorite Alice strap dress by Jack Eisenberg from Fabric. Strappy black sandals with medium heel and half-moon bag enhance the dress's flow and elegance. For a casual day look, opt for strappy sandals with chunky soles and a large raffia basket. This pairing adds volume and maintains the dress's fluid silhouette. So tip number 5, pair maxi tube dress with flat or mid-heel sandals and soft volume bags to enhance the silhouette and the style of the dress. And one category I almost forgot about, textured dresses. The one I'm wearing here is actually not a dress, but a two-piece set from Italian designer Gabriella Floss Tramontana from Fabric. Textured dresses offer this unique visual interest, but can easily look overly busy if not styled thoughtfully. As this example here, combining too many different textures like fishnet ballet flats, crochet, and a faux lizard clutch creates this visual chaos and lacks cohesion. Instead, keep accessories simple or match the textures thoughtfully. Crochet and raffia share coastal Provence-inspired aesthetic, creating very harmonious, cohesive look. Plain shoes also allow the dress's texture to stand out without competition. So on tip number 6, with textured dresses, opt for simple, minimalist accessories and similar textures to avoid visual clutter and maintain a cohesive, polished look. Voila, that was it for today. I really hope that you enjoyed and got inspired by watching this video. Please let me know in the comment which style of dress is your favorite, and I'll see you next week. Bye!